In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your design to landscape mode in Canva. If you're working on a project and need to switch your design orientation, this tutorial will guide you through the process in just a few minutes. To start with, make sure you're using Canva Pro, as the resizing feature is available only to Pro users. Once you've got your design open on Canva, head over to the top menu bar and look for the Resize button. Clicking on this button is your gateway to altering the dimensions of your project. It's an essential tool, especially when you want to customize the size of your design to fit specific needs, such as changing from a portrait to a landscape orientation. After clicking Resize, you will see an option labeled Custom Size. This is where you can input your desired dimensions to switch your design to landscape. A typical landscape dimension commonly used is 1920 pixels wide. So in the width section, type 1920. Make sure your height measurement is proportionate depending on your original design. By setting this width, you're telling Canva to adjust the orientation to a more horizontal layout, perfect for wide display needs like presentations or banners. Once you've entered the correct dimensions, take a moment to ensure everything looks correct. Then the next step is to hit copy and resize. By doing this, Canva not only saves your current design, but also creates a new resized copy. This is incredibly useful because it ensures that you won't lose your original work, and you can compare the two designs to see how the change in orientation affects the overall look and feel. Now that you've clicked copy and resize, you will be redirected to a new canvas with the dimensions you've just set. Here, take a moment to adjust elements within your design if needed. Sometimes switching from portrait to landscape might skew the placement of certain elements, so it's essential to move and resize them to fit the new format perfectly. This attention to detail ensures your design maintains its intended impact and quality. Once satisfied with your adjustments, you have successfully changed your Canva design to landscape mode. Keep in mind that this process, while specific to landscape adjustment, can be adapted for various other dimension changes. Whether designing for digital or print media, the ability to resize quickly and efficiently within Canva opens up a myriad of creative possibilities. Remember to save your work regularly, and maybe even download a copy for future reference. That's all there is to it. With these easy steps, switching your design to landscape mode in Canva becomes a straightforward and rewarding task. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.